Okay, this is a video demo on this KGW3204A OPC-UA server configuration and testing using this UAexpert. Okay, so this video will be quite a long video, so you may skip to any slot of your interest. I will put a timestamp in the description. So now the layout. So I have a laptop over here, then I have a KGW3204A over here. Okay, you can see my video also. Okay, I have a yellow cable connecting to the internet. Okay, then I have a RS232 connection, and it's connecting back to my COM9 serial communication port. Okay, so if you take a look at the this is the hardware. Okay, if you take a look at the schematic, let me show you the schematic. See if I can pull this over here slightly. Yeah, this is the schematic. Let me see if I can place it at a better location. Yeah, this will be the schematic. Yeah, this will be the schematic. Okay, so I have a laptop. I'm using this OPC-UA Okay, connect to this KGW3024A. Okay, and I'm configuring it as a OPC-UA. The port number will be 4840. Okay, reach out to this IP address of 192.168.0.249. Okay, by the way, the default IP address for this KGW unit is 249, but for this case I configure as 248 because I got multiple device. I cannot make everything the same IP address in the same network, so it's 248. Okay, and I will configure it COM port as serial communication RS232. Reach out to Modbus slave over here, which is at COM9. Okay, yeah, quite straightforward. Okay, so now let's do the configuration now. Okay, let me bring up my so this is my PC, my laptop PC. First thing first is let's open up the configurators tools software for KY. Okay, let me see if I can. Is the program over here? Where is it? This is not the one. This is the one. Okay, so let's double click this and open up this software. Okay, for this case, okay, let's create a new workplace. Okay, let's call this workplace 11. Okay, 11. Okay, save location. Okay, then under this, let's create a new project. Okay, let's call it project okay 11. Okay, and add to current workspace, which is this workspace. Okay, the next thing very important, double click this. Okay, we are going to select the platform. Okay, for my case, the platform is actually KGW 3204. Okay, A, but very important, for the platform choice is instead of choice 26, you should select 22. Okay, please select 22. Okay, and press OK. Okay, so first let's configure the relationship of the Modbus RTU. Okay, the relationship of the Modbus RTU, which is over here. No, RTU. Okay, reach out to this COM port 9. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's go to the client, right click, create a new server. New client. Okay, and the choice is Modbus over here, and press OK, and you auto. Okay, let's put up a meaningful name. Maybe a meaningful name, maybe by the name of Modbus RTU. Okay, yeah. Okay, the next thing I want to do is create the serial communication port. Okay, for my case it's COM1. Okay, and maybe I increase the baud rate to slightly faster, okay, and press OK. Okay, so we have this, yeah, good, look decent. Okay, this is by default also. Okay, then let's add create a analog dialog. Okay, so this is Modbus. Okay, let's name this COM1. Okay, because it's from COM1. Okay, and analog input, let's create a new point. Okay, let's create a point of 10. Okay, and so you got this. Okay, 10 variable 10. Okay, if you click this IO here, it's actually reading holding register function code 3. Okay, I want to change the address, okay, and modify in batch. Okay, this thing is very good. Okay, starting from 0, I want to increment every step by 1. So you get to see 0 to 9. Wow. Okay, so yeah, good to go. Good to go. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to download this piece of program. Download. Yes, I want to save. Okay, and you start to download. So it's project 11. I want to make it active and press OK. Okay, wow, this is tricky. This is tricky. Okay, so the username will be EDPS. Okay, and the password, wow, the password. Okay, let me open up a text box. Okay, for the convenient. Okay, let me open up a text box notepad. Okay. Okay, let me erase, let me create a new one. Is there a new one? Can I create a new one? Yeah, okay. So for this, the username is EDPS, okay. And the password, wow, the password is YCKYEDPS, okay. So because earlier I already input it before, you remember, so good for me. Okay, so remember the password. Okay, okay, and it's been downloaded. Okay, it's been downloaded. Okay, and how do I verify that is I do a monitor. Okay, monitor. Okay, so by default, you just leave it. Okay, for connecting to server, you just leave it. Okay, as admin, password, leave it empty. Press OK. Okay, oh, fail to connect. Okay, the reason is because probably I haven't activated the program. Okay, no problem. Okay, now open up the browser. Okay, we get to see this browser. Okay, and the admin. Okay, then followed by another round of password. Okay, so what is the password? The password will be for the web page. Okay, this one is for loading project. Okay, so so earlier to connect to project is admin, then followed by no password, empty. Okay, okay, then followed by the web page. Wow, web page is admin, but the password is PWD. Okay, %4% capital letter KYLA Kylan. Okay, so see if I can copy and paste. Okay, copy and paste. Waha. Okay, good. Okay, so you need to go to this this choice and protocol config overview. Okay, and go to the second tab. Okay, so now my program is 11. Okay, good, and let's press start. Okay, and it will start. Okay, okay, let's try again. See if I can connect up again. Connect and make sure the IP address is correct. And wow, good. So it's so let's go to the value, and the value is 0, and because it's offline. Okay, because it's offline. Okay, let me go back to my drawing again. You see, I successfully created this part, this portion. Okay, now I need to create this Modbus slave. Okay, so Modbus slave is control is Modbus slave. Okay, and let's create the let's do the connection. okay, com line, okay, com line, and I earlier changed the baud rate to this higher baud rate, if you remember correctly earlier. Okay, press OK. So how do we know it's working? Okay, first the quality indicate here is changed to online. Okay, if we connect, if we take a look at the telegram, there's respond, there's receive and respond, and if I change the value here, for example, I change to 11. Okay, it immediately change the 11 here. Okay, let's try to put this to 22. Okay, and let's do an increment number over here, and this number will keep adding one. I think it's every 1 second it will keep adding one. Okay, so good to go now. Okay, I already configure the first site ready. Okay, let me check. Okay, I already configured this site already, look decent. Okay, and it's working fine. Okay, let's try to configure the other side of over here. Okay, so let's try okay, now it's actually the server side. Okay, so go to the server side, right click and create a new server. Okay, go to the driver. Okay, and support OPC-UA. Okay, OPC-UA. Okay, and press OK. Okay, and okay, so the first choice is OPC-UA. Put up a name if you want. Okay, for my case, obviously I'll put one name, OPC-UA, OPC-UA. Okay, and for the protocol, let me check. For the protocol, yeah, just it's empty. So okay, for the device, okay, right click and press new device and blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is maybe KGW3204A. Okay, vendor is from my brand, Keelan. Okay, so the IP address probably you need to define is 192.168.0.4248. Okay, and the port will be 4840. Okay, so for this case, I'm not using any password or any certification, so I just press OK. So yeah, look decent. Okay, so the next thing I want to do now is I'm coming here. Okay, right click and define new point for the input forward. Okay, and my choice will be client. Okay, this is because at the effort of my earlier effort of defining the Modbus RTU, you should able to get this. Okay, go to COM1 and select the variable up to 10. Okay, oh no, I need to select one by one. Okay, see, yeah, or maybe I can do a batch selection. No, okay, let's do it one by one, the traditional method. Okay, okay, and also total 10 words and press OK. So you get to see all this over here. Okay, now we need to define the OPC parameter. Okay, should be over here, I think. Okay, so the first one will be the primary node, second will be the secondary node, and followed by the variable name. Okay, okay, variable name. Okay, and the node number. Okay, for my case, the node number, let's try from here first. Okay, the node maybe is actually the folder name. Okay, let me try to okay, maybe the first four, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3, okay, the first four, or the first five, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's define this as maybe OPC-UA group 1. Okay, let's call it group 1 or just 1. Okay, for the other 1 2 3 4 5, okay, let's define them as OPC-UA 2. Okay, okay, so let's have some group over here. Maybe the first three one will be under group 1. Okay, maybe over here is group 2. Let's try group 2. Okay, Okay, let's try further. Group 3 and followed by group 4. Okay. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is the variable name. Okay, right click and modify the okay, let's call it AI since we are in the analog input. Okay, and then I like to introduce use of this batch modifying. Actually, I can increment the number, so from 0. So if I put up enter, it will add increment of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, for the workspace, need to namespace. I need to change everything to 1. So let's put 1, okay, and everything changed to 1. For the node number, I need to start from, okay, this one, let me select all, and okay, the node number will be 25000, okay, and increment by 1, okay, yeah, something like this. So, yep, look decent, okay, I hope it works. Okay, so let's save the project and download the program again. Okay, select 11 and press OK and press OK and it will download. Okay, sometimes it will ask you for whether you want to reboot it. Okay, for this case, it asked me to reboot. Okay, let's reboot. Okay, if not, maybe you have to do a manual reboot. Okay, oh, that's great. Okay, so you can monitor this if it's monitorable. Okay, why is it not monitored at this phase of time? Because it's at the rebooting progress. Okay, so let's let's wait for a while. Okay, so while I'm waiting to reboot, maybe I can open up this thing. Okay, so this over here, if it starts to blink, it's a strong indication that it's running. Okay, over here. Okay, and if you start to see the blinking of this receiving is a strong indication it's working, but it's not, is it blinking? It's not blinking. So probably I need to go to the web page. Okay, and punch in the password, okay, PWD percentage, not percentage, $4 Keylearn with the capital letter K. And I hope, yeah, oh, it's not ready yet. Okay, now it's in the blinking stage, and however, if you see, it's in the blinking stage. Okay, oh, now it start to blink. Okay, now it's running the program now. So never mind, we can log in. Okay, we can log in also, but okay, it's timeout. Okay, never mind, let's try again. Maybe later. Okay, but the interesting part is if we put if we go to online, which is this guy over here. Okay, leave the password empty as I mentioned earlier. Okay, and the value will be over here. Yeah, see, the value will be over here. How it get this value is actually from the COM port. Okay, it's actually tally with this number. Okay, how do I prove that again? Okay, let's change to a number of 333. Okay, and you get almost instantly you get an update over here. Okay, so the next interest now is to get this value from to using OPC-UA. Okay, over here. Okay, let me show you the drawing again. Okay, so we have successfully configured the slave, successfully configure the RS-232, also successfully configure the OPC-UA server, and now the last thing will be run OPC-Expert and reach out to this OPC server. Okay, let's try double click. Okay, and this is a new one. Okay, right click to the server and add a server. Okay, for my case, this will be the IP address. Okay, and 192.168.0.248. Okay, then followed by the port number of 4840, which I defined earlier. Okay, and press OK. Okay, and let's right click and do a connection. So you should Oh, you see, you should get to this page already. Okay, so let's open up. Okay, we got group 1, group 2. Wow, group 1, group 2, and the other big group. Okay, wow. Okay, look interesting. Look interesting. Okay, let me right click. Let me select and place it over here. Whoa. Okay, let me select and paste it here. Look interesting. Look interesting. And waha. Okay, and the reading is good. The reading is good. And it's actually reading the Modbus value over here. Wow. Okay, and again, if you see the running number of this, it's actually tally with this number. Okay, let me change this value to 444 as I expect. Okay, next. So you may say that if I'm changing 444, it may change. Okay, let me change to a bigger number of 8888. Okay, and almost instantly it update over here. Wow. So with this, I end my presentation. Thank you.